In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Google Flights. First, go to the Google Flights website. If you want to switch your local currency to a different international currency, the process is straightforward. Begin by scrolling down to the bottom of the Google Flights homepage. There, you'll see an option labeled Currency. Click on it, and a list will appear showing almost all the currencies available globally. From this list, you can choose any currency of your preference and then confirm your selection by clicking OK. If you're unable to find the currency option at the bottom of the page, there's an alternative method. Click on the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. In the menu that appears, you will see another option labeled Change Currency. Click on this, and you will again be given the ability to select from a wide range of currencies. After you've chosen the currency you want, start searching for flights as usual. You'll notice that all prices are now displayed in the currency you selected, and that's how you can successfully change the currency on Google Flights.